We have started the trek from here. See, Prakash Babu has gone on his way. Now he has told me the route. We have to go from top, go up, then turn right and then left. And then there will be a small nala or wada. From there, they are layerings. Let us see. Hopefully I should not get lost. We are in the midpoint, and as you can see, we have come from there. Okay guys, lot more to go. We are almost here. There is that Ratangad. We have to still go. And there is the Bhandardara backwater. And there we have made yesterday camp tent. That is that Sandan Valley. And that is Kokankada. Beautiful, beautiful guys. Guys, what a view. What a view of the Sahyadris. Bhandardara, Alang, Madang, Kulang. It's beautiful. You can see these jungly flowers all over. Actually, October, September is the month. So quiet and calm. Nothing but just the humming of the bees. That's it guys, that's it. See now, that is the end part. From there are the railings and we have to go at the top. And this is the other one where professional climbers go. But the Ratangad is that top. Just look at the view. Oh ho ho. Oh ho ho. It's beautiful. Just came up. Now everything is full of rocks here. As you can see, we have to go climbing from there, top. At last, we are near the staircase railings. Oh boy, it's really hard work. Now this is the other side, the full Bhandardara backwater. We had came from that side. There is Samrat village. Now little remaining. Now you can see how it is from here. We will be going like this. And there are some of the boys there. At last we could see somebody. It's beautiful, I'm telling you. It's too beautiful. I cannot explain in words, guys. We came all the way from there. And there is our village, Samrat. We have to go back there also, guys. Now, made two boys, they were telling little remaining. Let us see how much little means. Oh, we have to climb from here. Oh. These are totally carved here. Oh. One stair is at least 1 to 1.5 feet. And then there is the darwaza. I think guys, this is the Kalyan Darwaza, and the other one from Ratanwadi side is the Ganesh Darwaza. Little remaining, just little. We'll finish and then we'll see. Then we'll take rest. Hey! So we have made it. शिवाजी महाराज की जय. जय भवानी. जय शिवाजी. हे त्या काळचे शिवकालीन हौद. पाणी साठवण्यासाठी. Going to the other side just for half an hour and then we'll come back. Too much of grass here, but the view is fantabulous, I'm telling you. Very beautiful. This must be the watchtower. This is the top, we call this the Buruz. I met some guys, but they have come from Ratanwadi side. We have to go from Samrat side. Let us see. But it's really nice. I don't know that time how they must have got these rocks and built this in Shivaji Maharaj time. It's really, you just can't believe it. It's can't believe it. The Takmak Point. So guys, we have reached here. This is the end. Some call it Takmak Point. As you can see, isn't it beautiful? Beautiful. We'll try and take some drone shots here, and then we'll go back on the return journey. This is the Parle Ji, guys, with glucose for some energy. Now, just to point out, we came from there, and from their backside, we have to go back there. Let us see. Still the sun is pretty high in the sky. I don't know how this video will come because my GoPro is down. There was no electricity. Okay then guys, we have to leave now. Still maybe before sunset, we'll try and reach Samrat. Bye bye. back here. The inside boulder is cracked, really, so we cannot catch that. Yes, finish the steps here, but still lot more to go. As you can see, from there we have to go down, and then from there all the way take a turn. Road bifurcate, we came from this side, that comes from the Samrat village, and that comes from Ratanwadi. And also one more route is there for Ratanwadi, which came from the back side, the end where we had taken some drone shots. So we'll not go from Ratanwadi, we'll again go back from Samrat. The sun is going to set, it's still time. At least we should reach in the fields, open fields till that way. Okay boys. Okay, then by the time I reached Samrat village, it was pitch dark. Met Prakash, said goodbye to him, asked a few tips about staying at night at Pravra in Ratanwadi. He said Pravra hotel is the only one hotel available. So I took my Meteor. It was hardly a few kilometers ride to Ratanwadi village. The Pravra hotel was on the way when I reached Ratanwadi. After reaching Pravra hotel, the room was not so good, no attached toilet. So the owner said, you have dinner here and I will take you to my another hotel which is just 1.2 kilometers from here, which is having an attached toilet. So I'll be going there after having dinner here. It was a nice time. Bye guys, see you tomorrow on the way to Bhandardara.